Hello everybody, this is Jeff at Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Clearsource 2-canister Premier Outdoor RV Water Filter System. Now this is an outdoor 2-stage water filter system that will purify water from your RV hookups and other exterior faucets. This will give you nice clean water for drinking, showering, cooking, washing dishes, and more. It is perfect for weekend warriors traveling to multiple RV parks or extended stay camping. It's perfect for a nice quick plug-and-play setup when you're on the go without the fuss of a permanent install. Now it does use these FDA grade oversized canisters which provide the high water flow for stable, long-lasting water pressure. And if you notice, it includes this canister wrench. Makes it very easy to install or remove the filters. You can just put it on there and just turn it just like that to release it, and then you can unscrew it the rest of the way. Now on this filter system, the water does flow through the canisters in one direction. It goes in this way, goes through the first stage, goes through the second stage, and then comes out here. Now the first stage right here, let me just unscrew this and take the filter out to show you. This first stage is going to use this 5.0 Micron coconut shell carbon block filter. This will filter out chemicals and sediment to improve taste and smell. And then it goes through the second stage, which is right over here. This second stage filter, let me just unscrew that and show you the filter in that one. This filter is the 0.2 micron filter. This will filter out harmful bacteria such as E. coli, Legionella, and others. Now the metal frame that these attach to is a nice powder-coated freestanding metal frame. Keeps the canister stable on the ground or on a table. They do use the rust-proof stainless steel hose fittings on each end, one on this end and one on this end. And these are sanitary, more durable than the plastic fittings. As I mentioned, it is a nice convenient plug-and-play setup. Very easy takedown at any campsite. You can set this up between the water source and your RV's freshwater connection. Now the hoses to connect to this is sold separately. This part is IAPMO certified. It is made in the USA. A few overall dimensions on this. The width on it, it's going to be right at 14 1/8 inches wide. The overall height, very bottom to the top, is 15 inches tall. And the total depth on this is 7.5 inches deep. Now going back to this first stage filter, again the micron rating on this is 5.0. Second filter is 0.2, and the filter life on this is about up to 2,000 gallons per filter. Now we do sell replacement filters on the website. Operating pressure for this, the total range is 25 psi to 100 psi. Ideal range is 40 psi to 65 psi, and the flow rate is 6.5 gallons per minute at 40 psi. And the operating temperature range for this is 35 degrees Fahrenheit up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. But again, just to put your filter in, the bottom of the canister, there's a little nub that filter will line up with. And then just put it back on your threads there. And they're very large threads, so it's pretty easy to get them started. And again, you just snug them up and then use your wrench to tighten it down. And the same over here, just drop your filter in. Right in place. Line it up with the threads. And again, once you get it started, just go ahead and crank it all the way down. And again, use your wrench to tighten it up. You don't have to over tighten it, just snug it up. But that should do it for the review on this Clearsource 2-canister Premier Outdoor RV Water Filter System.